You're doing great, baby. Ah, so brave, oy. Wow. Good job, baby. Let's go. Sit there, sit there. Wow, so proud of you. Are you good? Does it hurt? It hurts? A little bit? Oh, no? A little bit? Oh, good job, baby girl. Huh? Oh, your gift? You want mommy to hold it? You're gonna put it in your piggy bank? Yeah, hi! Chloe's done. She got... Oh, really? Were you nervous or you're fine? You're fine? Yeah?